Hi everybody. Today I forgot to say a date for the winners and it's going to be today and a few other things. Thanks for joining me. Okay, hi everybody. Welcome back. It's Donna from SunshineLeclair. So I hadn't announced when I was going to announce the winners for the little giveaway in the last video, but it's going to be today. So I think it's just over a week, so I think that's fair. So I'll do that first. And then after that, I have a little haul from Michael's. I was going stir crazy. I wasn't going outside. And so I found out that they're doing you can go to the curb and pick up your order. So I went online, I ordered a couple things, had a shower, fixed my hair for the first time in about 3 or 4 days. And I thought, okay, I'll just go to town, pick up my order at Michael's, get some gas, come back home. So that's what I did, and it felt so good. I'm getting so bad cabin fever. Anyways, and after that, I have the second part of the Yarny Sisters and Brothers, I guess I have to put because there's a few guys in here, of our Yarn Sister Brother group, the card deck that I'm making. So I have 17, so I got about 34, 35 altogether now. So I'll try and get a pack of 50 or 52 so I can have it printed. But anyway, so I'll show the second group of them, and then there'll be, I think, one more group after that. So, so first of all, I picked the winners, and I couldn't believe when I seen her come up, and I laughed because I thought, oh my God, nobody's gonna believe that that's who came up. But honest to God, crossed my heart, it was Jeanette at DOY Creations. Lucky you, Jeanette. Anyways, she mentioned the baskets in her comment, so she's gonna get the nesting baskets right here. There you go, Jeanette. So I'll check and see if I have your mailing address, and if not, you can email it to me. I think I have it though, because I remember, oh darn, I wanted to wear her earrings today. Shoot, next time. Okay, so congratulations, DOY Creations, Jeanette. Okay, so second was, oh, I don't know if I gave myself time to put Jeanette the picture of the draw. Okay, so anyways, the number 2 was Becky Capwell. Congratulations, Becky. Okay, so Becky, you mentioned the magazine Where Women Create. So that's going to be sent to you. You're going to love, love, love this magazine. So, okay, I'm just going to mention something when after the third one here. Number 3, congratulations to Fibrish Crochet. I didn't say her first name or anything, but she mentioned the magazine and the yarn ball sheep. So since the magazine was already taken, she's gonna get the yarn ball sheep pin. So congratulations, Fibers Crochet. So you'll see my email down below, and just email me your mailing address, and same with you, Becky, and I'll have those out to you right away. You have 1 week from today. Today is, what's today? Saturday. Oh my God, since I've been off, I can't even remember the days. It's Friday or Saturday? It's Saturday today. Pretty sure. So anyways, you have till this coming up Friday to send your email, or else I'll just draw again. But I'm sure you'll send it. Okay, so those are the winners. Congratulations to the winners. I just wanted to mention in my last video, I don't think I had mentioned that I had went to Walmart and the can came down off the shelf and hit me on the bridge of the nose, and I ended up getting 2 black eyes like around here, and I don't know, there's still a little bit here that you can see. Still, I don't know if the light's blurring it out, but it's almost gone. And yesterday was the first day without a headache. Like, oh my God, I think I got a little concussion from it. Okay, so anyways, the dangers at the grocery store. My battle with the can. Okay, so I'll do the cards last. So I'm just going to show you. On the Michaels site, it ended up that there was 30% off your whole order. There was a code and you got 30%. And I think I wanted to get some more of the Feels Like Butter yarn. And it was on sale. It was $11.99, but it was on sale for I think $7.99 or something. But I missed it. I guess it was last week and it wasn't on there today. So I picked out some other stuff because I wanted to get out. So everything I ordered was 30% off. So I think it doesn't have a total on this printout, but my order had added up to $70 some and it ended up being $50 or something. So anyways, this was, if you bought two, you got one free. And this was Burnett Baby Blanket yarn. And I loved this color. Look at this color. And I wish I would have thought about it, but I made just a throw blanket for downstairs where we watch our movies. And it worked up so nice, this stuff. And this is like a chunky yarn. This is 100% polyester, super bulky 6. Burnett Baby Blanket, 220 yards. Wash and dryable, which is the other one just washed like a rag. Mauve hydrangeas is the color, but oh my God, ever nice. And the blanket I made downstairs, it worked up so fast and it's so soft and cuddly. I have to make another one because the last one I didn't color block, and because of the drastic contrast, I wish I would have. So this one I'm going to. So I got 3. So we'll see if that's enough. And it's just like a lap blanket, but oh, it's so cozy. So I got 3 of these. Oh, they're so awesome. And I don't usually crochet with any bulky yarn. I usually use 3 or 2s are my favorite, but this worked up so fast. So it's well worth the pain in the fingers. I find the thicker yarn, it hurts my fingers. So I got that, and I've got 3 of cream cotton. I love cotton. It's a 4, but to me it seems almost like a 3. It's not like a heavy 4, so it won't be bad for me, but oh my gosh, so beautiful. So I ordered 3 of these, of the coral, 432 yards. So you just look at this. There's no way a number 4 would, for 400 and some yards, would be this size. It would be bigger. But anyways, so 87% cotton and 13% nylon. Isn't that gorgeous? It's really showing true to color in the camera. And then, wait for it, this is beautiful. So to go with it, I got the violet. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, isn't it beautiful? It's gorgeous. Oh, so it's better here. It's gorgeous. So all the same stats, but this one's called Violet, number 22. So violet and coral. Oh my God, they're so nice. So I got 3 each. So I've got, how many yards did I say? 432 yards. So I got yards. So I got 12. Like I got about 1,300 of each one, and it's cotton. Can't believe how soft it is for cotton. I'm ordering more of this. They had other colors too. I haven't used this yet. I think it's a new one for loops and threads. But oh my God, they're beautiful. They feel so nice. And then I got something. This is non-yarny related, but I got transfer sheets. So I have lots of canvasy fabric in that, so I just want to make a pillow, and I'm going to use this, so I'll show you guys. Might be for a giveaway. We'll see. So, okay, so let's get on with this. Guys are being really quiet downstairs, which is nice. Okay, so here, this is the second group for the deck of cards, and I was gonna call it Yarny Sisters, but there is a couple guys, so I don't know, Yarny girls and guys, gals and girls, something like that. If you guys have any kind of ideas of what to name the deck, let me know. And I found a few places online that I can actually send the pictures and download it and print the deck, so we'll see. Maybe I'll do that. It'll all depend on the cost. So Zines and Roger, Rosina, everybody knows Rosina. I don't know all your first names. I didn't put the names on the front this time. I'm gonna do it when I go edit the pictures. And I gotta sharpen them up too. And this isn't on photo paper, so it's gonna look a little dull, but they're all nice and clear on the screen. So Summer's Tips and Stitches. Hey Summer. And Seta's Place. Hey Seta. And the first fella from the Crochet crowd. And I don't remember his name right now. Also Old Soul Crochet Company. I did her alpaca. Oh my God, it was so pretty. And Ella at No Catchy Name. We all know Ella. I think I'm gonna get a different picture of Ella. She's got some really pretty shots. It's really hard because they're moving, and I gotta get the exact when they're, you know, I mean, I know everybody wants a decent picture of themselves. There's a lot of like wonky ones when I'm stopping and starting it. Wow Crochet. Who else do I have? On the Hook Crochet. And another little fella, everyone knows Jonah's Hands. Hey Jonah. And oh, this is one of my idols. She does really intricate work, and I'm actually doing one of hers right now. It's called the Sweet Clara top that I'm doing. Kristen Omdahl. Geez, that doesn't look very clear when I'm holding it to you, but it's clear when I look at it. Marley Bird, we all know Marley Bird, right? And if you haven't heard of any of these, just look up the name I'm saying in the YouTube search, and they're all absolutely wonderful. Fiber Spider, hey, I forget his first name too. Crochet A, Sandy, hey Sandy. I thought I got a good picture. That's a cute picture of Sandy. Glenda, Creative Grandma. Hey, Glenda. And another one. This girl makes me smile all the time. She's got such a wonderful spirit. Fiber Fox Studios, Courtney. Bob Wilson, 123. Here's another one that has nice designs too. Anno Crochet, Crochet Designs. And Joe's Web. Hey Joe. And the last one I have here is Little Drops of Wonderful. Yeah, so I couldn't believe how many there still were that I watched most all their videos. So now, like I said, we have about 35 or 36. So we still need 46, 50. We need about 17, 18 to go to get to a deck. I don't know. I'm going to see if I can pick how many cards I want in the deck. I think I can. But if we could get 50, I think that'd be a good number. Anyways, I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I can't wait till they're done. Anyways, more on this to come. I just wanted to mention too that in my Facebook group, that's where I'm going to be doing the Granny Challenge. It's going to start April 1st. Because I know there has been a lot of granny stuff going on, and there's been granny challenges, so maybe people are fed up of it. So there's quite enough people in the Facebook group to do it. So I'm gonna do it there, and if any of you want to join, that's fine. But just in case you're wondering, because I had mentioned it, quite a while ago, that I'm gonna have it. It's gonna last the rest of the year, and there's gonna be prizes, I think every 2 months, or a draw. So you'll just post stuff you've made out of granny squares, as long as it has one granny square in it. Can't be one single granny square, but whatever the project is, has to have at least one granny square in it. So anyways, that'll be coming April 1st. So I will announce it here that it started over there. And that's about it. Oh, look at me, 15 minutes. Whew. I went fast this time. So hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day, and prayers to everybody. Oh, I just wanted to mention that too. When I had the other pack and this pack, I had sat with them and just said a little prayer that everybody stays safe and healthy during this COVID thing. It's so eerie. It's even when I went to pick up at Michael's, you go, you call them, you say you're there to pick up your order, and you pay for it online, of course. And then you pop your trunk. You have to pop your trunk, and the girl just comes out, puts it in your trunk, and then you drive away. It's so weird. It's just really, really weird. It's I know what's happening. I'm being very safe. I'm being very cautious. I'm not really going out that much at all, like outside for walks and stuff. But it just feels so surreal. Like, I know it's happening, but there's a little part of me saying that it's no big deal or something. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. I know it is, but anyways. So prayers to everybody. Hopefully everybody is safe and healthy, and your family and your friends. And hopefully we're over this pretty soon. And blessings. Have a great day, and talk to you soon. Bye.